CINESYNOPSIS here. Today I am discussing the movie The Autopsy of Jane Doe. As the movie starts, we see the police investigating a homicide murder case.
Sheriff, you gotta get down here.
As they proceed their investigation, they find a female dead body at the basement without any identification relevant to the family members.
Doesn't look like someone broke it.
Next, we are taken to the Tilden house, a three-generation coroner family working at the basement of a house, performing autopsies. Here we see the two Tildens, Tommy Tilden the father and the Austin Tilden the son, performing the autopsy of a burned dead body of Mr. Harvard as a matter of routine. Comes Emma, girlfriend of Austin Tilden, as she wants him to go with her to watch some movie. Austin also wants to go, but he refuses as the Sheriff Tilden brings corpse of the very unknown dead body found at the basement of the crime scene to find her COD by the morning. Thus Emma leaves the house. As they start external examination, they notice her mysterious grey eyes as she died many years ago. Her ankles, wrist, and other joints are shattered, though there are no signs of any external torture or bruising on her skin or body. Very strange indeed. They find some dirt or peat from north in her nails and hair. They see her nasal passages and ear canals are quite clean. Very strange again. They're stunned when they open her mouth, finding her tongue severed or cut crudely, not surgically. Then Austin sees a fly coming out of her nostril with blood, while Tommy Tilden draws out a thread out of her mouth. Now they start internal examination by making incision, and the radio starts making noise. As Father Coroner makes an incision, there comes a fresh blood, as if she has been dead for not more than an hour. While Austin collects blood samples, Tommy Tilden finds her skin burned from inward, as a series of mysterious findings has already begun. When he opens her chest, he sees her lungs are blackened, as if she has been smoking 10 packs a day for 30 years. Then he finds bruising or cut marks on her heart, as it's been cut with some knife. Then we see a fly goes back inside her body through her eye, and a drawer opens itself. After that, Tommy Tilden finds a Jimson's weed flower from her stomach and a piece of clothing wrapping her missing molar tooth with necromantic artwork on it. Austin hears a warning message on the radio. As one thing's for sure, you are not going anywhere. Tommy Tilton peels off her epidermal layer from her skin to find how it can be burned from inside, and sees necromantic artwork and letters marked on her skin. In fact, the ghost of the Jane Doe has started playing with the corners. As he peels off her skin, radio starts making noise again. Tube lights burst and lights goes off. Corners get frightened and run out for their life. They get to the office and make emergency call to the police for help, while Austin sees a dead man walking outside and beating the door. Then we see Tommy Tilton in washroom, where he is attacked by some shadow having same grey eyes as of Jane Doe. Austin helps his father and goes to the morgue again. Here starts a series of more horror attacks. They see a stitched mouth, dead body screaming at them. After this, they burn the corpse of Jane Doe, but it affects nothing to her. Instead, the whole morgue catches fire. They rush to the lift and find it out of order. Meanwhile, Father Coroner sees another face-burst dead body coming to them. He hits an axe on the walking dead, but later find it was Austin's girlfriend Emma. After this, smoke rushes out of the crematorium and prevails throughout. Father Coroner receives multiple attacks walking through the smoky lobby. On reaching the morgue, they continue the last step of autopsy by opening her skull to find out any way to get rid of her, but under the microscope they see her brain cells are still alive. Meaning the corpse on which they have been performing autopsy is not a dead body, in fact, rather an alive being. At this, Austin says she is definitely a witch, but Father Coroner disagrees and says she is an innocent. That is why she wants to suffer everybody coming her way, the same way she was tortured. After this, Father Coroner pledges her to spare his son in return of his life, and the torture commences and he dies in pain and agony. After this, Austin hears Sheldon's voice calling him. He follows his voice and tries to open the basement door, but fails. He steps backward and falls down and dies. Later we see that the police does not find any clues relevant to all deaths in the morgue, while everything seems normal as the day before. The dead bodies are taken out of the morgue, and in the last scene, we see Jane Doe tingling her toe as if she is still alive.